Hello South Africa. Solar installations and pothole repair say hello to 5 million jobs. If you're one of the millions of unemployed South Africans, it's time to brush up on solar installations and pothole repair. That's the plan according to South Africa's expanded Public Works Programme, EPWP. As laid out by the Minister for Public Works and Infrastructure, Sal Zikalala, the focus is now on improving infrastructure. The Citizen reports these infrastructural needs will create more than 5 million job opportunities leading up to March 2024. This represents the fifth phase of its expanded Public Works Programme. By integrating National Youth Service (NYS) graduates into workshops, we aim to foster a culture of continuous learning and hands-on experience, ensuring our youth are not just employable but are drivers of innovation and change, said the minister. Besides solar installations and pothole repair, the South African government is in grave need of brick pavers, cleaning and waste management, lift technicians and plumbers. If you're skilled in any of these, you're in good luck. If you would like to get involved, or know anyone who might want to, they can get in touch with the National Youth Service (NYS). It is a free national service that gives access to learning and job opportunities right around South Africa. The organization headquarters is based in Woodmead, Gauteng, but they have provincial offices you can access here for more information. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.